In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to boost your advertisement method of certain services or your own products using Chatgpt. So make sure to stay tuned. The very first thing you want to do is to go to the site chat.openai.com, as you can see on my screen. And please note, you can also do this on your mobile device, either Android, iOS, whatever mobile device you're making use of. It's that simple. All you want to do is to go to the site chat.openai.com. And now, like we said from the start of today's video, we're going to be talking about advertisement. Okay, so now all you want to do is to come to Chatgpt text box over here, and then you want to tell Chatgpt, help me out with an ad script or ad description text or whatever, or ad text based on my new product. Then you can even talk about the product, okay, based on my new product, about, let's say, skincare. Okay, let's leave it this way. Okay, so we're just gonna wait for Chatgpt to provide us with the answers. So yeah, guys, as you can see, introducing Radiant Glow Skin Elixir. So if you already have your product name, you can just replace this with the name. And then if you don't have like a motto, you can use this, or if you already have a motto, you can replace this as well, guys. So as you can see, it basically, oh my god, guys, do I even need to say much? You can already see it on the screen. The benefits, unique formula, every single thing was provided. And now all you want to do, if you already have a product, you can just edit all this by copying it, pasting it in your word processing software, probably Microsoft Word or WPS Word, whatever word processing software you're making use of, and then you can just edit the text. It's that simple. So yeah, guys, you can see it provided every single thing for us. And then let's say it's an advertisement you need for your affiliate program. Okay, I can just say the same thing. Help me out with an ad text for my affiliate product on, let's say, sports. Okay, so yeah, guys, you can see it's that simple, guys. It's so powerful and so simple at the same time. So yeah, guys, I believe you all learned a lot from today's video already. And if you're new to my YouTube channel and you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe for more educative content as you're watching on my screen right now. So yeah, guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. Make sure to subscribe, drop a like on today's video, and also comment. And I will see you guys in my next video.